Alright guys, Paul here with our video, coming something a bit different today. I've got my DJI MAVIC Air out. If you remember from the videos before, I was telling you I had a motor fault on my original one just before I went to Florida. When I came back, obviously COVID struck and I couldn't actually get the drone back to get replaced. So a couple of weeks ago they replaced the drone for me. It's just doing a couple of updates just now on the controller and I want to give it a little fly. So I'm just going to take it around the local port where I stay in. It's called Port Edgar. It's a sort of place where they keep all the boats and bridges and stuff. So I'm going to hopefully fly out across the water a little bit, nothing too crazy or far, get a little test flight, get a feel for the drone again, and we'll get the footage up. So hope you enjoy this. If you do, please like and subscribe. Here my little daughter Lily Rose, you saying hiya? Hi. So she's going to get a wee shot of the drone as well, I think, and give her a little fly once we get everything going okay. So yeah, the footage. Bye. Right guys, that was a wee successful test flight there. I didn't want to go too far or too crazy, purely because I've just got the drone back, not flew it in a while, and with all these firmware updates I don't know what it was doing, if everything was okay. The drone seems to be great. My other one seemed to have a lot of calibration issues. I don't know if that was maybe it was a faulty drone, but this has had no calibration setup problems, anything like that. The other one used to take a few times to link to the phone and things. This one's going absolutely perfect, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. This area, it's probably not very good signal for a Wi-Fi drone. There's a wee bit of interference when I was going a bit further out in the water. Nothing crazy, but like I said, just with getting comfortable again, I didn't want to push it, plus we've been over water. But yeah, next time we get the drone out, I'll obviously be using it in my movies as I normally do, but we'll get a couple of maybe mile plus flights on the go again soon, so I've not done that for a while. But just like getting back into the drone, I don't want to go too crazy, but hopefully that footage was good, you enjoyed it. I certainly had a lot of fun there. So catch you guys in the next one. Please like and subscribe and all that stuff, and yeah, everybody stay safe and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.